Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase your text size on Skype app. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if I open up Skype, you can see my text size is currently set to what you can see. Alright, so yeah, this is the text size. So in order to make this larger, what we can do is head over to our settings app on our device. Now from here, scroll down and click into display. From display, scroll down and click into font size and style. And right at the bottom of the page here, under font size, we've got a slider. So if we move this slider to the right, this is going to increase the text size. If we move this slider to the left, it's going to decrease the text size. So keep it near the right to make it larger, like I've done so. Now from here, we're just going to go back to Skype. And it should automatically make it larger. And as you can see, it's made it larger. So yeah, just have a play around with your text size and just pick one that makes it easy for you to read inside Skype.